how to add bank account on Google Pay. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, you would learn how you can add bank accounts on Google Pay. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first step is for you to launch your Google Pay application or your wallet, depending on it means the same thing. Google Pay, it means the same thing. So once on your Google Pay application, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner of the screen and then click on your profile photo. Then in the drop down menu that appears, the next option is for you to click on payment methods. And now, in order for you to add bank accounts on Google Pay, it is a location-based feature. Not all locations where Google Pay is being used support this. For example, in my location, I am not allowed to add bank accounts directly. I can only add the payment card of the bank that I want to add. Alright. So for you, if you're in a location where payment method and bank account is accepted as a payment method, on this screen, as you can see on the screen, you can see payment card, passport pass, loyalty card, gift card, photo. That is if you want to use your QR code, if you want to scan or make a payment by using your phone to scan a QR code, right? Now you can see that you cannot see bank account here. This is because I cannot add bank account to my own account. But for you, you see the option add bank account. Once you can see this, click on that, and then you'll be asked to choose your bank from the list that's displayed. Then if you do not see your bank, that means that that particular bank is also not supported by Google Pay. But the banks that are supported by Google Pay will be displayed, and then once you've seen your bank, click on your bank, select your bank, follow the prompts that will be displayed afterwards to verify your account, and it might include you entering your debit card details, creating a UPI pin, and then once verified, your bank accounts would be added to Google Pay easily, and then you can use it to make payments. So I hope I have answered your question. Thank you for watching and have a good day.